Hi everybody, I'm Wendy. I've been with AAA now for 5 years. I work out of Richmond, Virginia, and I absolutely love selling Disney. 90% of all my sales are Disney. Why? I love Disney. The mouse, he's just absolutely fantastic. You come over to my office and 70% is Mickey and Minnie. I think she might be leading a little bit. And come into my kitchen at home, it's Disney. It's Mickey everywhere. Can you think of a better place to be? No. Some tips and tools on how to become $1 million agent. Listen, really listen. Listen to your clients, breathe, and gives you time to listen to what they have to say. Listen to the agents around you. Find these successful ones and listen. Listen for the buzzwords. Listen for the things that make them excited, that get them excited. Use that. I'm constantly asked, what's my big secret? My big secret? Ask for the sale. The worst that's going to happen is a no, but I'll bet you 90% of the time it's going to be a yes. And the reason why is the client wants you to take the lead. They don't want you to wait for them to say, hey, I'm ready. No, you ask for it. After you have given them everything that they've asked for, and you hear buzzwords, you hear one wow out of their mouth, you've got it. Go for it. Ask them, are you using your AAA Diamond Visa today? Or maybe your Disney Visa today? Ask for it. They'll get it.